Hi guys, welcome to your lesson on anxiety. I know that we did a lesson on feelings a little while ago, but anxiety is popping up a lot in today's society, so I thought it's something that we should look at. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain what anxiety is and the signs and symptoms, be able to explain the difference between just feeling anxious and nervous and actually having an anxiety disorder, and possibly how to cope with it. So, anxiety, what is anxiety? It's pretty normal to feel anxious and nervous. I'm pretty sure that most of you would have felt this way on the first day of college. It's okay to feel nervous and anxious when you're going to go do an exam. It actually helps you perform a little bit better. But when is feeling anxious not okay? When should you get help? It's when the anxiety overwhelms you. It's when it stops you from functioning on your day to day, like just being around people or going to school. If it stops you doing stuff like that, then it's not okay. You need to get some help. And we'll look at help a little bit later. Do many New Zealanders feel this way? Well, actually, the Auckland University did a survey and found that 38% of females and 23% of males felt down or anxious from every day for over 2 weeks. So it is pretty normal. It's part of life, but again, we need to look at how we're dealing with it. So, what are some signs and symptoms? There is a whole range on the slide here. But it doesn't necessarily mean that you will experience all of them. Maybe you just have one or two, but it's totally up to the person. But things that you might feel is like nauseous, your heart's racing, you can't speak, dizziness, muscle tension, and everybody acts or reacts differently during these situations. So, coping with anxiety. There's many different ways you can cope with it, and one way won't fit everyone. So give everything a go and see what works for you. Exercise is always a good way to deal with stress or anxiety. It releases endorphins, which makes us feel happy. So that's something. Deep breathing is really important. But yeah, just give everything a go and see how you feel with it.